Hi, and welcome to Totem Live Accounting, the Identity Tutorial Miniseries, Episode 2. In this video, we're going to be exploring our newly created identity that we just did in Episode 1, and why you're going to want to create others. Totem, unlike other centralized software applications, doesn't require you to officially incorporate a business to start using the software or to conduct business with it. Let's put this into perspective to explain. Here's Rachel, who uses Totem to track her spending and personal purchases for record keeping. Let's say Rachel has recently been interested in starting a small business selling her artwork that she does from home. Let's go ahead and create our second identity, the business identity. We will name it Fancy Glasswork and complete the backup. Rachel can now keep her newfound business expenses and profits in her new identity and separate from her personal account for better spending tracking and privacy. This means she can track how profitable her side project could be prior to fully incorporating it. And right here, the top right of the screen, these are all the identities that you control. This is the Identities Module. When you carry out anything, you want to use this top right drop-down menu to select which identity you want to work with. While we're in this new business identity, we're going to be dealing in US dollars, let's say, so let's go ahead and change our currency. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the Totem Keyboard Shortcuts. By hitting K on the keyboard, we're going to want to open up Settings, use the Shift S shortcut, and we can change our currency to USD. So this also means that if Rachel decides to switch her focus, she can always create a new identity for her next business idea while keeping her personal account and this business separate. It is important to note that anytime while in the business identity, any completed transactions or sales is only viewable through this identity and not any other identities. We will expand on partnering and sharing our identity in a later episode as there's a lot to dive into. But now you can see how powerful it is for Rachel to have multiple identities to better track her expenses and keep her personal accounting information separated. Thank you for watching this miniseries tutorial video. Goodbye.